today I want to show you guys my video about a game named Roblox. And this is a tutorial how to play this game. I'm playing Roblox Toilet Defense right now. Game is about we defeating a toilet. Got some money from it. You can use the money to spin a tower to use it and play the game. Also can play it with your friends or some people. Now enjoy my gameplay with my friend. I forgot to tell you guys, this will end at wave 15 and we almost did it. Yeah, after you spin it, you can get a stronger and stronger unit again if you are lucky. So you can try it too. We almost did it. The toilet are more stronger everywhere. One also can help too, but if there is many people there, the toilet are more stronger. You can play it alone too. Recommended for many people to beat it. Now, enjoy my gameplay game. We are guys. Never mind, we did it. And we got 800 of points. Yeah, and we got a badge too. So that is the tutorial for me that I can say. And I hope you all enjoy. And thanks for watching. Bye. I hope you all enjoy. Okay, so that's all for today. Don't forget to sub and like this. That's all. See you guys. Bye. And enjoy the music.